talked about how this collaboration is going to help students getting trained and getting placed, right? I wanted to understand what kind of expectations or what kind of benefits Intas has in place, so that this entire MoU also is a limelight for Intas and in the history of Intas.
So I'll go into the core, why we started this. So currently there is a dearth of skilled manpower. Manpower is available. The skill is the key element, and the required skill is the furthermore element, right? So there are skill available, but they are not fitted to our requirement. So what we thought of that, and nowadays another issue is industry is not ready to hire people and train them, because we have so much pressure of delivery, be it quality control, be it manufacturing, be it any other department. So people are not ready to train freshers. So this was the option we created, that let us have a MoU with university. Why don't we train students and make them industry ready? And it is not only skill, we also train culturally, because the biggest issue is culture. If you develop them culturally also, they will not feel that they are coming from something. Let's say, for example, if a fresher is joining from a university and not having any orientation about industry, then he will get a shock, because his life is going to change very next day. But if you give them this buffer of 4 months, not only they will be trained for all these industry practices, but they will be also trained on what desired culture is required at our end, right? So this is how it will immensely help us in retention of these people. They will be instantly merged in our campus, in our systems, in our SOPs, in our culture. They will instantly connect with what other person is trying to convey, right? They will instantly connect with what is expected out of them from the very first day. They will not be shocked at seeing the instrument, because they would have seen the instrument. They know what is the nature of this instrument, what is the output. So all this orientation is already been given to them in this 4 months time. Not only that, I think so Amit is also planning them to improve their communication, improve their interpersonal skills, how they communicate with their people, what are the regulatory expectations. So when the regulatory audit is coming, how should they behave, instead of they coming and then seeing and then, so they are already aware of all these environment and challenges which they are going to face once they are absorbed in the industry.